Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. We're gonna be doing tape-ins today. I'm super excited, never tried tape-ins before. This is everything I use except for that box. I didn't end up using that Cream of Nature's box. I only ended up just using the bleach. This is the tape-ins. This is what they look like. I did get a curly texture this time. I only ended up using 4 scoops for each bundle, either 4 or 5 scoops for each bundle, but basically like 4 or 5 scoops. And then the consistency that I need is basically like a yogurt consistency. So that's how I just measure it off of that. That's probably not the right way to do it, but that's how I do it. And then I went ahead and mixed it up, make sure I got the consistency I wanted, and then I started bleaching. Now, when I added this bleach onto the hair, I will say, instantly the color started to change. Instantly. So I probably only left the bleach on for like a good 10 minutes, if anything. And the color was already lifting to where I needed it to be. I was going to use that Cream of Nature's box, but I didn't end up using it just because the color was already kind of basically the same as the color I already had in my hair. So I didn't end up using the Cream of Nature's box, the Honey Blonde. I just ended up using bleach, and that was it. I went ahead and used a toner to wash out the bleach afterwards, and the hair was ready. So I just want to make sure all my girlies are aware. Please do not get the top of the tape-ins wet. The part where the adhesive is does not need to get wet before you install them, because it will disrupt the adhesive on the tape-ins. But look at this color. Perfect. Gorgeous. Love it. But yeah, I just want to make sure you girlies know that if you are installing these yourself, or if you're installing it on somebody else, just make sure you don't get the top of the tape-ins drenched or wet. This is just me showing you how to take off the, sticky part for the tape-ins. And what you're going to need to do is take 2, put your hair in between that, and you're going to want to sandwich that together. Now you're going to see how I just completely sandwiched that together incorrectly. But you see how sticky this is? Yeah. These tape-ins are going to last. So you're basically going to want to tape the 2 pieces together perfectly together with your hair in between. Make sure you don't use a thick piece of your hair to put in between this. It's going to be sandwiched together just like this. And I'm going to show you guys how strong this is. The adhesive is really strong. So it will pull, 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 and it's not coming apart, baby. No. So this is my hair freshly washed. I do not have any curls whatsoever. But that's okay, because we're gonna be doing like a braid out type thing. You guys will see. I definitely washed my hair, blow dried it, because I obviously can't do the curly hair on wet hair, like for the taping it in. So I went ahead and blow dried it, and I blow dried my tape-ins. So I blow dried the tape-ins. I didn't blow dry it like 100%, but I blow dried it enough so that you can still see the curl in it. As far as my curl pattern, as y'all can see, I have a little bit of heat damage, so my hair does not curl as well as the tape-in. Braid out, I'm either gonna do a braid out or a perm set, or both, we'll see. And we're basically just gonna be doing like a natural hairstyle with tape-ins. So this is me getting ready to install my first piece of a tape in on my hair. Make sure you guys don't use a thick piece like this. My hair is already thick, so it's pretty hard to like put a tape in on my hair that's thick, and then my hair is thick. It was a lot. So you guys are just gonna have to learn from me what to do and what not to do. Do not use a thick piece of hair like this. You want to make sure that you can still see the adhesive on the other side so that the two tape-ins can touch in between your hair and the other tape-in. You want to sandwich it together so that the adhesive is sticking together on both sides of the tape-in. So if your hair is too thick, baby, it's not going to stick together. So if you need to add some adhesive to one of the tape-ins, I'm going to show you guys exactly what you do. You're going to basically want to take off this blue piece, just like a bandage really. And you're going to want to put the tape in on that piece. And then you're going to want to take the other side of the blue and take that off, kind of like a band-aid. And then you're going to stick the other side of the tape into that. And then when you put it all together, you'll be able to stick the adhesive to the tape-in and peel it right off so that it sticks to the tape-in and that you have a better adhesive going. See how that just stuck onto it? So now we have a better chance of it sticking. Yay. This is my braid out. Obviously, it is a lot of hair because my hair is already thick. So anyone who has a low, density, I do recommend you adding tape-ins just to give your hair some density. This could really help out the girls. But look how beautiful the color, the braid out, the density. It's giving scissor vibes for sure. And thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next one.